This is the second attempt. Second. Number 2.
Let's go.
Where's my milk?
Oh shit! I dropped mine.
He has to redo his. Notice to renew. Fuck. That's all over the floor.
Fuck's sake.
This is gonna be bad.
Dude, I can't fucking get enough.
Go eat. No.
Are you fucking Josh my dick?
No, that's gross. Right there, right there. Don't knock it. You pussy.
Are you pussied up?
Mine is way more than that.
Cool, okay, let's go.
No, I'm not.
Let's go! Pussy. Okay, what? Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, let's go. 1,
1, 2,
2, 3. Don't fucking get him out. Don't get him out. Just fucking burn.
Oh! That looks like a shitty milkshake. Dude, shut the fuck up. My guy's gonna fuck my nut. Ow.
Shut it off.
Enough of that garbage.